inform you that AIIMS Guwahati is organizing MPSCon 2025 and feeling proud that myself, Professor Babul K Bezbaruah, is the president of this prestigious institute, AIIMS Guwahati, and welcome you all to this 3 days conference which will be held from 7 to 9th May 2025. In association of Department of Pharmacology, AIIMS Guwahati, which is a center of excellence of the Northeast, for the first time will be hosting this conference where faculties, scientists, researchers and PG students from various states of India will join. Hope this conference will be a grand success with the blessings of you people, and my request is that please do visit Assam, which is known for its natural beauty, its Kaziranga National Park, Kamakha Temple, and many more the tourist places. Thank you.